Hi, Jason here. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how to pass the government septic tank inspections that will take place after the 1st of January 2020. I will also show you how to avoid government septic tank inspection fees and save thousands of pounds in replacement costs if your septic tank fails the government septic tank inspection. But first, let me explain why the government have introduced these new septic tank laws. In a bid to reduce the pollution risk from septic tanks, in 2019, the UK government introduced new laws for septic tank owners. It's called the Pollution Act for Septic Tanks. From the 1st of January 2020, government inspectors will carry out septic tank inspections across the country. Any septic tank that is found to leak, smell or to pollute the soil or a watercourse will automatically fail the site inspection. And new statistics show that 60 to 70% of all septic tanks inspected will fail. Now, if your septic tank fails the septic tank inspection, a government enforcement order will require that you must replace your septic tank, and this will cost you around £10,000 to £15,000. Now here's the good news. The reason I've made this video is because I want to show you a really simple, easy way to pass the government septic tank inspection and save thousands of pounds in replacement costs. All you need is the government approved ecosystem septic tank converter. Not only will it help your septic tank to pass the government site inspection, but it'll also remove smells and turn your sewage waste into safe, clean water, making your septic tank not only legal and compliant, but it'll also protect your family and the environment. The ecosystem is also very easy to install. Just dig a small hole near your septic tank and insert the ecosystem. Job done. In fact, it's so easy that you or your builder can do it in just a few hours. So, how much does the amazing ecosystem cost? Well, it's £12,000 cheaper than having to replace your septic tank. And for a limited time, you can now get the amazing ecosystem for only £3,999. But you know what? I want to make this offer even better for you. For the next few days, you can save an extra £1,000 off the normal price, which means the amazing ecosystem septic tank converter is now only £2,999. That's £1,000 off the normal price. But hurry, this is a strictly limited offer. First come, first serve, and because stock is going fast, this offer will end soon. So look, if you want your septic tank to pass the forthcoming government site inspections, if you want to make your septic tank legal and compliant, if you want to save yourself thousands of pounds in unnecessary replacement costs, if you want to make your septic tank smell-free, safe for your family and the environment before the 1st of January 2020, then get yourself the amazing ecosystem septic tank converter today. It's not only easy to install, but what's even more amazing is that for the next few days you can now save £1,000 off the normal price, which means the ecosystem is now more affordable than ever. But remember, this is a strictly limited offer, and because the limited stock is going fast, this offer will end soon. So look, don't delay, get your ecosystem septic tank converter today. So, to order yours, just click the link below this video.